So back on the XJS, removed the whole side of the scuttle panel, just some of the remnants here. Haven't touched any of the outer section there, just the underneath. Had a small hole here, here and here. There was just pinholes, but the metal was pot marked and it had probably rusted out at some point, so cut out larger areas. Welded it in, ground it back. The plenum here, bit of corrosion down the bottom there. It was holed, obviously the water sits in here and it's a bit low for this air intake, so it's rotted out. I have to replace that. I did have quite a struggle getting the heater box out. Obviously the main box I can leave in, there was a sort of heater box here that I managed to remove. It's just really 2 bolts. Area up here needs welded, so I didn't want to catch this on fire, so I managed to get that out of the way, which is good. And the underside of the repair is just there. Well, what you'll find is you get factory fitted rust traps, so the area in there where the hinges are, these sponges live in there. They're fine unless it gets wet, and then they just soak up and cause more rust. So the area that's given me most concern is the roof. You'll see some of the roof was holding perforated along the edge. This is previously been filled in. So if I tack this side, cut out the panel there. You see a lot of rust in the sandwich layer, and on the top, cut there, so I still have some rust behind that, so all I'll do is just trim this back until I get some good metal. And you see it's obviously quite difficult to weld in there. I've got a bit of a gap, but doesn't look too bad. But obviously that on the inside of the panel would rust out again in the future at some point, so I'll just try and tackle it while we can.